Hi. I mean you. Me saying hi would be really weird. Let's go for episode 3 of Pokemon Emerald. Another episode. Yes, I took a large F and I thought I was gonna get another one, but then I beat Brawly. Now, though, I don't know how can I get the. Wait. Something else I should do before is go back to Rustboro. Yeah, Petalburg first and then Rustboro. Yeah, whatever. Anchors away, Pico. We're settling sail, my darling. Okay. I need to pick something from Devon Coop. Can I get it already? Oh, I forgot. Where do you... I know you get that there. I don't know when you get it though. It'll wait. See, I wasted your time. Old man playing with his bird. Let's go. Back to Dewford. Okay. I suppose you have to... Yep. Did I talk to... what's the thing? The trendy house, the influencer house across the sea is Mudkeep when I win, even more popular. I'm starting up on the hip and trendy Mudkeep when I win now. Is it true that there's a deep link between Mudkeep when I win and songs? I think I said yes. Oh, so my hunch was right. I'm one step closer. Psst, psst, to being hip and happening. Wowza, I don't know what is that. This whole business about Mudkeep when I win. This is very boring to be in here. I'm just gonna walk out and go and see Steven. I don't care if it's in the dark. What do people do if they need to go to a washroom? They go to a washroom, I guess. What if my rod hooks a big one while I'm in the washroom? I just can't go. Yikes, what do you mean by rod? My man Ned has been confined for way too long. Ooh, did I heal? Yes, I did. Back. Fuck that bitch. Good. Didn't poison. Dio grew to level 18. That's because I'm trying to not go to a washroom. Yes, you're holding it in, my dude. I guess we can fight him too. Let's see. Of course, yeah. Which do you prefer, fishing in the sea or a stream? I don't know, I never tried fishing. One of you like that? I never tried that. I don't think I would have a patience to. And he's got a team of magic corps. Just great. Oh, sorry. Critical hit on this fucking fish. Tentacle now. Let's try and make Course evolve. Fisherman Idiot, send out Tentacle. And we're gonna absorb that bitch. At least it doesn't have like a team of 3 Magikarps. Oh my god. Well, with my memory, I'd forget why I'm in the middle of the ocean. It's not wrong, it's just... You're not wrong, just like... I guess I don't have a lot of memory. I don't know if it's memory or focus that I lack. I guess a bit of both. A critical hit. For Tentacle had its energy drained. It's only level 7. You made me waste so much time. That's not bad. He's gonna send out a Magikarp. At least it's level 10, and I'm sure I'm gonna hit myself. And I hit myself in my confusion. But nothing happened. Snapped out of it. Super effective. Dun, 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 dun. 42 XP. Damn. Like in deep sea fishing, I lost spectacularly. Wow. Loser. Fishing's great, but so is battling. If you don't mind, can we meet again? That's something I like about this game. Like, you know, in other Pokemon games, when you're done beating everything and everyone, and you're done beating everything and everyone. In this one, you take their number, or they take your number, and then you can rebattle them after you're done with Elite 4. So they're stronger, so it's worth it-ish. It's pretty nice. Geodude. I'm still thinking, should I catch more Pokemon? Because with my team, I should just get one dragon, like, later on in the game and be done. Anyway, I'm definitely catching the 3 legendaries. All 3 of them. So close no matter how far. Hey, you, it gets awfully dark ahead. It'll be tough trying to explore. That guy who came by, Steven, I think it was, he knew how to use Flash, so he ought to be alright, but well, for us hikers, helping out was what we made is our motto. Hey, you got pauses. Oh, that's where you get Flash? I thought I had to talk to everybody in that, like, influencer house. I was gonna kill someone. Let's put it over HM05. Teach that hidden move Flash to Pokemon and use it. It lights up even the inky darkness of caves, but to use it, you need the gym badge from Dewford's Pokemon Gym. Okay, and now, I'm not gonna make Ninkada my HM slave. I don't even have a Zigzagoon anymore. I don't need a HMs. Do I? I don't know. Wait, I miss an HM. Yes. Yes, yes, I should have a Rock Smash. Great. Ninkada learn Flash. Actually, Course can learn it. Odd. It's fine, it's fine, it's fine. A Pokeball in the wild. With an escape rope. Escape is for pussies. This has Flash, so I'm gonna shut up. I'm a pussy. Flash! Haha! 10 points to you if you get that reference. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, Zubats. The Ratata of the sky. No, actually, no, it's the Ratata of the caves. Pidgeotos or the Ratata of the sky. No, it's not Pidgeotto, right? It's Pidgeot. No, PJ, it's PJ, yeah. Even forgot. I think Raw Stab is weak against flying. I'm not sure, and this one is flying and poison, yeah. I'm gonna switch. Or run. Shit. Just don't be a fuck. Maybe later on I'll get a Pokemon that can. Oh. No, I'm gonna kill it for the sake of trying to kill my cause. I'm gonna kill it. I mean, faint it. You don't kill in Pokemon, of course. And that's not true, right? That's why we have these symmetries, like you can bury your Pokemon, and there's always been this theory that the ghost type Pokemon are either dead people or dead Pokemon, but most certainly dead people. That's kind of creepy, don't you think? Let me switch cars for Diavolo. Cars will evolve soon. Soon-ish. another Ratata of the cave. I'm just gonna run because another Pokeball in the wild. Found one Pokeball. Yes, like I said, I'm gonna explore everything, so don't think I'm gonna beeline directly towards the gym leaders and the Elite Four. I'm gonna do that when we're gonna be able to go back shopping. I'm gonna kill you and leave your corpse there so that your friends can do much. Should have tried capturing. What's the point of getting a Zubat? I'm still pondering, should I get all Pokemons? Because what's the point? Abra. But he might run off. Okay. We're just gonna throw a great ball and hope for the best. Pray for me, guys. Mashing B always works. And Abra used teleport. It's basically my love life in a nutshell. So, should I catch everything? Oh, don't think so. Could have smashed these rocks if I picked up Big F. Big F. I see the F coming miles away. Still gonna try. It's an Abra. Kadabra is really powerful and I don't have a chance of getting Alakazam. Why do I bother? I should try and kill it. You know what other people do? They get the Pokemon with like stun, spore, or something to paralyze or to sleep or whatever. Aaron, definitely I'm getting that. I'm getting that. They are Pokemon, Adrien. Don't talk to them like that. I don't know. I think Mudshot would have killed it. Actually, Water Gun killed it. Fantastic. This is going great today, isn't it? I'd found one Everstone. I forgot what it does. The Everstone. I don't know if you watch the anime Pokemon, the cartoon rather. Oh, no, that prevents evolution. Ah, that's right. I forgot if you no, I'm sorry. If you watch the cartoon anime thingy, you would have maybe noticed that the Pokédex has a voice in there, right? It says stuff to you, and I love that voice. When I watch the French version, they would be like, PJ, the fly. I can't do it. I clearly can't do it, but look, this dude literally turned around, saw me, but didn't start it again, and didn't start a conversation with me. How rude. Is it because I'm black? My name is Steven. I'm interested in rare stones, so I travel here and there. Oh, a letter for me? I'd handed over the letter. Steven, okay, thank you. You went through all this trouble to deliver that. Thank you. Let me see. I'll give you this TM. It contains my favorite move, Steel Wing. Good, but I don't have any flying type in my squad right now, right? Except for Ninkada. No, I'm not gonna waste that on Ninkada. Your Pokemon appear quite capable. If you keep training, you could even become the champion of Pokemon League one day. That's what I think. I know since we've gotten to know each other, let's register one another in our Pokénavs. Steven is cool. Steven is really cool. I did watch the Hoenn season of the anime cartoonish. It was so nice. Steven is really cool. Steven is a bamf. Badass motherfucker. What do I need to get my team being complete? I got a water slash ground type, meaning that electricity won't affect me, but grass type is super effective against me. I got a firefighting, Still weak to water, but he's alright. Learns pretty powerful moves. I got a pure grass type. Could do with a dragon. You can always do with a dragon. No matter what Pokemon game you're playing, you should get a dragon. Just cause you can. You should. Who's calling me? Beep. Roxanne! Oh hello ads, this is Roxanne of Rustboro City. I heard from Brody that you're moving up through the ranks of trainers at an incredible clip. Well, I rather not think that I can't beat you. I promise I will shape up my gym so that you may challenge us again. I hope you'll be looking forward to that occasion as much as me. That's what I like too. The gyms will be calling you again and be like, hey bitch, come and get your ass whooped here again. Register gym leader Roxanne in the Pokénav. Okay guys, I promise that I'm gonna do the next gym, Moville. Will I get to go to Moville? What am I saying? I never played this game, I don't know what happens next. Let's just see. Let's just see where we go. Thank you for waiting, we'll restore your Pokemon to full health. We hope to see you again. Okay, I'm gonna go back to Rustboro real quick. Sorry, but I entered the house instead of talking to the dude. Great. Mr. Bruni, ahoy! For you, I'll go out to sea anytime. Now, my friend, where are we bound? My problem is, like, I'm pretty harsh against myself when I fuck up in English. But I think I fuck up in English because I try to go faster than I am actually reading. I try to predict the sentence and I just fuck up because I thought they were gonna say something else. So maybe I should chill and take things at a slower pace. But who does that? Life is short, bitch. We might die like within the next few weeks, so. It got dark real quick, didn't it? Okay, so I'm gonna just have to go... No! You don't even get a rock smash now. But... there's still something I gotta pick there. I'm pretty sure I gotta pick that thing. That thing is cut, by the way. I don't know why I'm acting like a bitch. That thing is cut. The first thing, the first HM you can use is cut. Everybody knows that, in that game at least. I think in most Pokemon games, the first thing you get to use is cut, because you're not expected to use... Well, first thing might be because actually cut is a 60 power move. So it's like strong-ish, so it's helpful to you, but not too much. Surf is like 85, if I recall right. So it's definitely too much for you to have this early. I think I ate too much. I'm gassy right now. Wow. And I bitch that I don't have anything. I should shut up. First world problems. You know what is another first world problem? No, that's not a first world problem. That was something funny that I thought about today. Today my dad just came in my room, and usually I clean my room myself. I don't need anybody else to do it for me. My dad came in my room and was just like, he was cleaning my room and for once, and he just said like, why don't you pull the windows, pull the curtains actually. So I was like, well, why should I do that? And he was like, to let the sun in, didn't you hear? The scientists are saying we have to do that. My dad, the same guy who's like gonna go out of the house wherever he can, told me that I should listen to the scientists. This is very funny. Ironic and very funny. This is my way of thanking you. It should help you, a trainer. Obtain the experience share. That's one thing I wanted to pick. Let's put it with the experience share in the items pocket. Mr. Stone, Pokemon holding that experience share will be given some of their XP points from battle. It will get their XP even if it didn't actually battle. I would say XP share is quite useful for raising weak Pokemon. Who's gonna get it? Who's gonna get... When I say it like this, that sounds pretty bad. Who's gonna get it? Let me go and check my... That's the thing, if I got that Abra or Ralts, I should do that during the day tomorrow. Just... because I already scheduled a video for tomorrow. I don't have much to do, but I wanted to play Monster Hunter. Forming Raging Brachydios. Fantastic monster. Well, even Furious Rajang is fantastic. They're all fantastic. Fighter Pokemon match, blah blah blah. You bore me. Let's go to the Pokemon school and learn something. Oh, I have to get next to him. That's a nice little mise en scène. Students who don't study get a little taste of my quick claw. Whether or not you are a good student will be evident from the way you use this item. That's nice. He just beat up his students and then gave me something. 2 other people streaming Pokemon on YouTube. Really? They're all streaming Pokemon Emerald. I mean, that was great. I'm glad that people are going back to this game. A Pokemon holding berry will heal itself. There are many kinds of items that Pokemon can hold. Boy, it sure is hard taking notes down. Pokemon can hold items, but they don't know what to do with man-made items like potion and antidote. You know how some Pokemon moves can confuse a Pokemon? It can confuse Pokemon will sometimes attack itself without meaning to. But once it leaves battle, it will return to normal. I always wanted to see that, and I'm finally getting one. Oh, I guess we're trading? I'm trading Pokemon with my friend right now. Cool, literally. Where do I get cut? This is Cutter's house. You can't make that up. I'm not kidding. I didn't remember that. But determined expression, that limber way you move, and you're well-trained Pokemon. You're obviously a skilled trainer. No way, don't say a word. I can tell just by looking at you. I'm sure that you can put this hidden machine to good use. No need to be modest or shy. Go on, take it. Obtain the HM01. As for the HM01, that hidden machine, or HM for short, is Cut. An HM move is one that can be used by Pokemon outside of battle. Any Pokemon that's learned Cut can chop down thin trees if a trainer has earned the stone badge. And unlike a TM, an HM can be used more than once. When they were expanding the city of Rosboro, my dad helped out. He made his Pokemon use Cut to clear the land of trees. That's so nice of you, Mr. Cutter. Like, I would be scared to live next to you, but that's so nice. Dun, dun, dun. Ooh, actually, now that I got that, maybe I can do something about these trees. But who's gonna learn it? Because I'm not using NHL Slave right now. ACDC. If you can learn it, plus you're only level 5. I'm gonna give you the XP share until... Yeah, you can't use that. Oh, it's scary, you can toss one. It's kind of scary, I don't want to do that. Okay, I got everything from here, let's move on. Let's get ACDC. I think the next song I'm gonna cover is gonna be something from ACDC. It's on their way to get there. Seems like there isn't. Another ominous tree. Would you like to cut it? ACDC, cut it. Since this patch is here, I guess. Why are you here, lady? Oh, neat, that's the badge from Roseboro Gym. You must be a trainer. You should try using this item. A miracle seed. It's an ATM, right? It's a miracle seed. Oh, no, it's an item. Okay, growth type become... I think they are more confident than for Pokemon to roll. Okay, I'm gonna give it to Trickoven. I mean... Garth. That I got by legitimate ways. Is there something special I can catch here? Let it be. That would be a great song to cover, don't you think? Jesus, I still have nightmares about that thing. I'm kidding, I don't have nightmares. I don't have dreams, actually. But like... Jesus. Spent too much time doing that thing. Way too much. Did you like... hide this spot behind a tree just for me to catch like Puchienas and... Okay. Fine. See? Da, da. Still a Puchiena. By the way, is it better, the chat? Is it more timed? Is the delay like way smaller compared to what it was before? Because I put it on ultra low latency today, and I'd just like to know if like when I'm saying something, you're not taking 1 minute to hear it. Okay, it's already been 25 minutes. I like to actually do stuff and not just like wander around. Why is there an empty patch? To lure me towards fighting another Wurmple. very short. It's around 15 seconds. Over my internet is garbage. Alright. Yeah, I was thinking about not thinking. I was talking about something. A lot of people were like, yeah, they raised the internet. Actually, they didn't raise. They just increased the data that we can use because it's like not many people. No, not many people. Wow, I was gonna say something very bad. And what was I gonna say? What I wanted to say is that we just augmented, like if you had like 50 gigabytes to spend per month, they would increase that augment. Wow, French, do you speak it, motherfucker? And they just increase that allocation. So your speed is still the same, I guess. Mighty, pretty good at lying to us. Okay, we can get back directly now. Sabrini, ahoy! You just go on and tell me whenever you want to set again. Ahoy! Okay, don't click on any. Okay, slate port, good. Slate port is it. Anchors away. Pico, we're setting sail, my darling. I don't know why I wear my t-shirts like a striptease and ahoy, we've made land in Slateport. I suppose you're going to visit Captain Stern and deliver the devil goods, I guess. Who's in my starting lineup? That's not bad. Okay. There's a lot of battles on this beach. A stripper, yes, I thought so. I thought that striptease felt way too French. Jesus fuck, I should never have went and studied in French. Dishonor on me, dishonor on my family, dishonor on my cow. House and castles taking a long time to make. You can have this, obtain the soft sand. What do you do with that? As we do with the soft sand, we're going to get all the sand from the beach and make a big castle. And then we're going to be a king and queen. Oh, we'll let you be a servant. Okay. That's because I'm black. Have an anchor in ports around the world, but slate ports the best. I trust you, because Pokemon Emerald is the best Pokemon game. Sailor Huey, I guess that's how you say your name. Huey. Go Diavolo. I'm gonna use Tackle. Ooh, yeah, I'm gonna use Tackle. It's enough to get that bitch. I mean, that flying bitch. 81 XP. Great. Matchup. Not gonna switch, man. But actually, I think fighting type Pokemon are stronger against ground type, because like break, like fighters can break. That's the explanation of the game. Don't boo me. ACDC gain 121. Just want it to become a slack off, and then I'm not gonna let it evolve, I guess, because it becomes a slacking. But that's the issue. Slacking can attack once every 2 turns. Why would I? Look at this. Look at this beautiful matchup. You see these feet under that umbrella, and you see this killer head and this sailor. Let's see who's gonna catch me first. The kid got me. I'm thirsty. Alright. Could go a bit young for that, but okay. Could go for a setup up at the seashore house. I can't swim, so I'm pretending to swim. In the sand. Makes sense. Tubba, Ricky, and Tubba, Haley want to battle. Sonata, Zigzagoon, and Marill. Go Diavolo and Calf. Diavolo is going to use water again on the Zigzagoon, while Calf is going to use Absorb on this Marill. And I hope that's going to be enough XP for us to evolve. It's super effective. But it didn't kill you. It's super effective and you're still in the green. What a... Plus he used Sun Attack, so that's gonna be great. I'm not sure it should... No, water again is... Tackle actually is enough. Absorb is gonna do fine. Yeah, fam. What's up? Nice profile picture. Oh, avatar. I don't know what you want to call it, but I see you, Spider-Man. And it missed. Great. Fuck same attack. Plus he used defense curl. She used actually. Yeah, let's connect. Let's just hope to connect. Poof. Poof! What again? On the water type Pokemon. Okay. At least that one connected. For Mariel, fainted. Minecraft live stream. I don't have the patience to play Minecraft. Yeah, this game. When was the last time I played it? I think in 2016 or 17. Wow. No, I'm not playing Getting Over It. I'm not playing Getting Over It. There's no way in hell I'm gonna play that. Are you have another match with me when I'm not all thirsty? Why are they so weird? I love it. Up battle with me. Are you raising the woods or something? Say the Edmond. Oh, Edmond. Anyone watched the was it the World of Narnia? The title? Yeah, I guess that was that. You don't have to buy anything for me. I'm not gonna play Getting Over It. Like, I would kill you to start with. I don't get how people have patience to do stuff like that. Like, plus, I think the annoying thing in this game is how, you know, there's a narrator. Hey there, ads. It's me, Elliot. How's your battling? Me, I had a battle the other day and my Magikarp came up huge. Next time I battle you, it won't be me losing. Great, your Magikarp is gonna do great things. Yo, trainers, whether you're hot to trot or cool cat nut, chill at my papa's spot. That rhyme, that was wholesome. Oh, a Pokeball. Chronicles of Narnia. See, whatever. I don't remember anything. In French, was it Le Monde de Narnia? I don't know. Persona 5 Royal. That's the thing. If you want me to stream PS4 games, you're gonna have to wait until we're done with the confinement, so I can actually buy a capture card and a proper mic for that, because my mics are all for my camera. Doesn't a beach umbrella look like a giant flower? Ta-da! See, my inner tube's round. What was it supposed to be? I love to play Persona 5 Royal. I played Persona 5 10 times at least. I'd love to see what they brought that's actually new. I hope it's actually like different. Tough matchup. Should be fine. Well, it was really fine. For Tentacle, Diavolo gain, Course gain, ACDC. Yes, I know. I'm a failure because it should be ACDC. Another Tentacle. Use Absorb. But Absorb doesn't do much on Mariel, and that's weird because it's a water type, isn't it? Tail Whip makes you defense. Okay, fall. So I'm gonna use quick attack, new palaces and location. Great. I hope there's a lot more that's different because I want to play it. Shit, that was super effective, but was not poison, so it's fine. Again, they're using the water type move on the water. Oh no, that was a combine. Should I check my phone when I've got time? Somebody says so. Oh my god. Why? Good one. I can't share that. I can't share that to the camera right now. I can't. Good one. Actually, good one. Very pleased with that. Jagat pal, Jagat. Oh, this dude is a meme. How can you be that like bad at your job? And it's just so bad. It's just so bad. But guys, we're not gonna talk politics. We're just gonna chill. This is a lo-fi session. We're all here to chill and work on homeworks. I hope that everybody's up on their assignments. I'm so glad I'm done with university or studies. And well, actually, you're never done with studies. You could just go back. But do I want to go back? Kind of. But it's so nice to not have like assignments and stuff. But when you work, it's kind of like you always have these, right? Me, I'm here every day. Yeah, me too. I'm here every day too, Balola. Me too. I'm here every day. Insensitive bitch. The water around this port is clean, but I get my zigzag gun to pick up a litter from the shoreline at times. Dirty water becomes rain and joins our rivers, which we drink from. If we pollute the sea, it all comes back to haunt us eventually. You know one thing, a lot of game critics said that this gen, or at least Hoenn, is too water, and you couldn't be more wrong. The message of this game is protect nature, and game reviewers couldn't fucking find that. That game came out in 2004, so I was 9. Yes, I got 96 $Pokédollars from kids. I do beat up kids for some money. Quick cash. It's free. It's easy. I'm going to show you how great my Pokemon are, but don't cry. Show Tube Ryan or something? Tube Simon would like to battle. Go Diavolo. So yeah, Owen is the best version because it's like tropical islands, and since I'm Mauritian, of course I would like that. Says the dude who never goes to the beach. Okay, I'm gonna try and get cost on this one, just so we can gain some XP. I got another message. Is it another thing that I can't show on chat? No, it's not. Ten. Poof, Jesus. I left my phone for 2 seconds. People, chill. You would think the country was like in confinement or something. Wow, that did a lot of damage. I'm gonna absorb that bitch. Got a lot of fat. Marill is not cute. Marill is really not cute. Look at it. Blue Pikachu ass motherfucker. Alright, we're done. Yeah, and who's crying now? I lost, but I won't cry. Great. Toughen up, little fuck. Lady with green hair. Boring battles are unworthy effort. Fiery hot battles are what toughen up trainers and Pokemon. Okay, if you say so. That's a nice sprite. Beauty Johanna would like to battle. Beauty Johanna and our Golding. I should have had cars leading up. I guess we all have water type Pokemon here. GTA 5 online. You know what? I only played GTA 5 when it was still on, when I had my PS3, and when it died, I was like, I'm done with this because there's just so much in this game. If I start now, and somebody did tell me that we all have to start somewhere, right? See, even when you talk about video games, you can be like wholesome, and I was like, yeah, there's just so much. Like on my PC, I guess I'm just gonna, because this laptop, it's not a gaming laptop. It's a laptop with like a graphics card, but it's like gaming-ish. You know when like you go to university and you tell your mom and dad that you need that laptop because of a course, because you actually need that to work on projects for? Well, for me it's kind of true because I didn't start videos with this laptop, but this one helped me out to transition from Windows Movie Maker to an actual movie maker, which would be Vegas Pro, and Vegas Pro let me down recently. It just died on me like 2 weeks ago, so now I'm gonna have to learn Premiere Pro. And actually, Premiere Pro is really nice. Like, it's a big learning curve, but Premiere Pro is so much better actually. But since I already knew, I don't know why I'm talking about that. That's very boring. I'm sorry, I'm a nerd for everything. If you're looking for a battle in the seashore house, you'll find no hotter trainer than me, matey. Matey, how do you say that? Sailor Dwayne, the Rock. Quick attack that bitch. That's alright. Water gun. Critical hit. And I'm gonna absorb and kill you. By the way, in GTA 5 I didn't kill anyone at the end. Well, I did kill that dude who wanted us to kill one of the two of us. Okay, I think you can stay for Tentacle. Not sure, because Tentacle, even though when it's like that weak, it's not too bad. And it's got poison. Oh shit, forgot. Remember kids, Gross is weak against poison because of weed and stuff. When is 420? Death Stranding, I'm never playing that. I love the concept. I love how Kojima created something that is shit. Jesus fuck. I am lazy. I'm really lazy. There's just so much to do. I bought the deluxe version of Red Dead Redemption 2. I finished the campaign and I didn't touch it again. $100 fucking dollars I had to spend on that. Jesus. I waste money on video games. So Death Stranding, I like the concept, but I don't see myself playing that because, again, I'm too lazy for that. Way too much investment. No! Okay, wow. You hear that sound and you're like, I'm fucked. And it's like 7 damage. I am very lazy. Like, that's pretty much a given. Cars gain, and Cars will now be evolving. Cars is trying to learn Pursuit, but Cars can learn more than 4 moves, delete a move. Pursuit is very nice, because if your opponent is trying to switch Pokemon, the hit will still hit. I'm gonna delete Leah, because I feel like I'm gonna go back to that. I played Death Stranding for 3 or 4 hours only. I bet it's way longer than 3 or 4 hours, right? I watched a review of Death Stranding that was 7 hours long. Yeah, I guess Death Stranding is not like a classic type of game. You don't just go and beat up bad guys. And as I heard, like, the boss battles are not really boss battles. You can't really lose or something, right? You can't really die from these, or it's super easy, or something. Nice, first hit and it didn't even connect, but that low kick is gonna... Okay. Ooh, that was pretty good. I defeated Sailor Dwayne the Rock. That was a hot battle, I can accept battle loss. Matey. 352, that's not bad. Did 44 minutes. What will we get time to do? Let's see what we can get time to do within like these next 15 minutes. Well, if I was a stripper, I would get to do a lot of things in 15 minutes. Congratulations, your course evolved into Grovile. Will it try to learn a move? It's trying to learn Fury Cutter, but course can't learn more than 4 moves. Need a move to make room for Fury Cutter. An attack that intensifies on each successive hit. I think I can erase Pound by now. Which games I like to play? Le Toi. Is le moi and Subra and PP the same person? Why do you have the same picture but have 2 different names? And at the moment, I'm into Monster Hunter World. And I wouldn't think that I would like that. That's a looter game basically. Not looter, but like, you get it, a grind game. But I love it to death because it's got so much personality. Else I would like, I've played single players, God of War, My best game of the PS4 so far is God of War. But I think it's gonna be FF7. Yeah, it's gonna be FF7 remake. If you get out of confinement early enough, I'm gonna buy FF7 and I'm gonna stream it. If that happens, you're scorching hot. Those battles blazed. I'm more than just satisfied. As thanks for showing me your hot streak. I want you to take these. It's half a dozen bottles of soda pop. You could have said 6, right? I like the 2D Pokemon better than the 3D Pokemon. I don't want to play that Gigantamax shit, like Jesus, nostalgia. After like Gen 5, I was unhooked from Pokemon, so. No, maybe Gen 6, no, not Gen 6, Gen 5. Gen 6 was on 3DS, right? Maybe I'll buy a 3DS, because I wanted to play Omega Ruby and Alpha Sapphire. The light of a lighthouse reaches dozens of miles away. I wonder if it doesn't startle Pokemon in the sea. That's very considerate of you. We should stop that. Not watching you live on FF7 remake. No spoilers. No spoilers. Again, that game came out 25 years ago. Everybody knows what happens in there. The seasons, the weather, where the moon sits in the sky, these and other conditions make the sea change its expression. That's right, the sea is like a living thing. Well, yeah, I guess an ecosystem should be considered as a living thing. And if it goes here and that goes over there, then where does this thing go? And what about that doohickey? It's like, no, I'm not gonna say that because some of you in the chat are under 18. Oh, I can't make heads or tails of this. Hi, I'm Doc. Captain commissioned me to design a ferry. Oh, that there are the Devon goods? But this won't do. Captain Stern went off somewhere. He said he had some work to do. Could I get you to find Captain Stern and deliver that to him? Okay, I will, my dude. No spoilers of a new design. So you didn't play like the demo? Like it was really nice. It was really nice. Designing a large ship is more like making a big building than putting together a transportation vehicle. Word, my man. What do you think think it's strange that a ship made of heavy iron floats? It floats because of a principle called buoyancy. Buoyancy. I don't know how you say that again. So many words that I don't know how to spell, how to pronounce. Not running indoors is something that bothers me. You can do that in the 3D games. You can run inside. This is what is this? The endless sea sustains all life. Oceanic Museum. Wait, is there a Pokemon Center? I should go there because in case you faint, which might happen with my good luck. Hello and welcome to blah blah blah. Yes, Nurse Joy. Good for you to play the full game. I guess you're like really young. You didn't play the FF7 original one. I'm pretty sure you didn't play that. Well, FF7 came out either the same year as I was born or 1 year before. So I shouldn't know that much either actually. But I did play it when I was like 14. To play that at 14, whoa. The entrance fee is 50 Pokédollars. Yeah, that's fine. I'm gonna make that by beating all of these. Hey, what are you doing here? Me, I'm the Team Aqua member you thumped before, remember? Back in Rustov Tunnel. Here, take this, you have to forgive me. He gave me something for beating him. Put away at TM46. TM suits you more than it does me. Hoping I never see you again. What did you give me? What do you think suits me better than it does you? 46 is thief! Wow, is it because I'm black? I didn't have 50 Pokédollars. Oh, you poop, my man. Yeah, I'm not sure it's only 18 plus here, my dude. Yes, if you're looking for Stern, that would be me. Ah, those must be the pots I ordered from Mr. Stone of Devon. Thank you, that's great. We can prepare for our expedition now. Isn't it so weird that like I have like 2 or 3 different personas. On videos I'm like so cold and whatever. On stream I'm like, hey, I'm the sunshine. Hey, hold it. We'll take those boats. Captain Stern. What? Who are you people? We're Team Aqua. Our boss wants those boats. Shut your yap and fork them over. You're gonna come at me with a Puccino, right? So shut up. There is a redeem code for Last of Us 2 PS4 theme. Oh yeah, there was that. I think I don't remember if I got it. Oh no, it's not a Puccino. Okay. Oh, you're gonna turn 18 in this year. That's so cute. People born after the year 1999. Oh, I ate way too much. I shouldn't have done that because now I want to puke. Bad decision. It's super effective. Confinement is a nice Pokemon. Well, it looks ugly like this, but when it evolves, I don't know if it evolves. I never played this game before, did I? ACDC grew to level 11. Okay, one down, and couldn't they come at me straight, the two of them at once? Cause, oh man, what a disaster! The boss is going to be furious. Sniveling wimp. Let me take care of this. Team Aqua Grant, would you like to battle? Team Aqua Grant, so now Zubat. Go Chaos. Pursuit. Does good enough damage. Thanks, fuck, I'm force enough so that Astonish won't work. Great. Well, I advertised, I don't really know, I just posted like the... Well, I just posted a picture saying that I'm gonna... What did I say in today's post? I wrote, what did I write? Let me check. Yeah, I'm gonna finish that battle and then... Oh, I didn't read what we're gonna send next. It's fine. Whatever comes. Another Corvana. I said solving world hunger on stream. Turn up. Shit, I shouldn't have used that. Yesterday I said I was gonna strip if we reach the threshold goal of $200. Yeah? Yeah. Or if you buy my Gamer Girl bath water. Can give you a discount. Can give you a good price on that. I just like bathed once since the confinement, so it's like really concentrated. Why no homo? I'm a big fan of JoJo's Bizarre Adventure, so yes, homo. What I lost to? Now what? If you don't get the parts, we're in for it. Oh, I didn't count on being waved by some meddling kid. I came to see what was taking so long to snatch some parts, and you, simps, that's where Sims comes from. Pokémon Emerald. And you Sims are held by a mere child. We're Team Aqua and we love the sea, and I'm Team Aqua's leader, Archie. If you play Sapphire, they made Archie hot. What makes you interfere with us? Do you still want me to say no homo? No, you can't be. You're not one of Team Magma. Wait, that can't be right. You're not dressed for the part. Pokemon people, all life depends on the sea. So Team Aqua is dedicated to the expansion of the sea. That's not really smart, my dude. Don't you agree what we are doing is a magnificent undertaking? It's just an undertaking. That's all you're gonna do, undertake yourself, dude. Ah, fine, you're still too young to understand our noble objective. But I warn you, don't even consider interfering with our plans again. The consequences will cost you dearly. And don't you forget, they're also intense. Captain Stern, your ads. Anyway, that was a tense situation. Wow, you're shrugging that off real quick. Thank you for saving us. Oh yes, I almost forgot that you even brought the post from the Devon. Ads handed over the Devon goods. Captain Stern, whoops, there's no time to lose. We have to set out on our ocean floor expedition really soon. Thanks again, but now I've got to go. Feel free to wander around and check out our facilities though. Oh, he healed my Pokemon. That's nice of him. It's been 55 minutes, and I guess I should finish that stream early. Unlike what? Oh, Scott, the coolest man on earth. Huh, I'm sure I've met you somewhere before. Have I introduced myself to you? If not, my name's Scott. I just saw Team Aqua run away from here like they were stunned. Let me guess, you drove them away. Do you think that voice is fitting? Huh? Maybe, just maybe this trainer. Alright, I think you're going to become a good friend. So let's register each other in our Pokénavs. Registered. Registered with Scott. Registered with Scott person. I like how this game is just like this dude. What I'd like to do is tag along with you, but I do want to keep an eye on the talents of other people too. So I'll be off to roam over towns a bit more. Be seeing you, ads. Alright, Scott. This is the... yeah, you can take a ship here, but I don't need a ship right now. So I should end... do we have time to go to the next city? What else is there here? Battle tents, late boats, I find it, the ultimate Pokemon. Yeah, I don't wanna do that. Name rater is the same dude that can like... let's see. Hi, I'm the name rater, I'm the fortune teller of name. I shall be pleased to rate your Pokemon nickname. Which Pokemon nickname should I critique? Cars. Cars is it? That is quite a fine name you bestowed, but what say you if I were to suggest a slightly better name? Good, then what shall the new nick... No, I don't want to rename Cars. Okay, I'm gonna name it again Cars, but I'm gonna do that for... that's the dude I was looking for, because I need ACDC to be... Now from now on, this Pokemon shall be known as Cars. It looks no different from before, and yet, this is vastly superior. How fortunate of you. Yeah, I'm the name rater, blah 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 blah. Let's do that again, but this time, let's get the right Pokemon. A, C, D, that's an R, that's the, oh my god, squared isn't, it's B, right? D, C. I'm dyslexic or something. Here you go, ACDC. What else? Scott is in here again. Oh hey, if it isn't Ads, let me guess, you're going to take the Battle 10 challenge. Yeah, that's a good idea. That's a really great idea. After all, a tough trainer is a perfect fit for the Battle 10. Give it your best effort, champ. Well, he didn't call me champ because he's pretty much an asshole, that dude. Which should I choose? Make a beeline for Mobile on Cycling Road or take the low road and look for Pokemon? I'm gonna have to fight. Oh, Prof. Birch. Oh, Ads. Oh, Ads! No, it's the same voice as Scott. Oh, Ads! Imagine seeing you here, and where might my may be? And where might my may be? Wow. Oh, I see. You two are running separately. Well, that's fine. Oh, yes, I heard that your Pokénav had that match call system installed. Well, then, I should register you in my Pokénav as well. By the way, even when we are port, I can read your Pokédex anytime. Good. Ads, please keep an eye out for my May. Well, I had better get going. See you again, Ads. Can fight them, or I'm gonna fight them and then call it quits. Let me guess, they have... I would go anywhere to show off my delightful Pokemon. When cute Pokemon help each other, you won't see a more adorable sight. Pokemon Isabel and Pokemon Caleb want to battle. Pokemon Minum, Plusle and Minum. Plusle and Minum. Red and blue Pikachu motherfuckers. Pursued that bitch. Yeah, it's been 1 hour. I'm gonna close down on this fight. I forgot, what does Helping Hand do? What do you... oh, fuck it. Double kick. Good. Hit 2 times. Not too bad. Yeah, you're going with your berry. And a run. Yeah, that's like 20 health. Let me use Furry Fury Cutter, and let me use Amber. I don't really know why these battles exist, just to give me XP, because like, what are we gonna do, literally? Critical hit. For plus I'll use Thunder. Ah shit. Course is paralyzed, may be unable to move. Dio use Ember. And you're not dead. After that you will go and play Apex Legends. Good for you. For Minum use Helping Hand. For Minum is ready to help for Plusle. Oh my god, just slowing my attack. Dio's attack fell. Dio use Peck. Wow. Blue balls to death. For plus I'll use an Oran Berry. This fight is taking way too long. For plus I'll use helping. Yeah, I got it. What is frag? I never heard about frag, or maybe I did but I didn't pay. You know, I got a bad memory. Hit one times. And just to get that little XP. Jesus, we got 4 of these bitches. Huh. Help me. And we use Helping Hand again. Do you have an Oran Berry too? Will you make that fight longer? Should really have stopped at the 1 hour mark, because it's taking way longer. Because we have this double battle now. Yeah, it's gonna use that Oran Berry. I don't know, they literally just use that Helping Hand. Don't they have... Well, no, they use one... that thing that paralyzes. For mine, I'm fainted. Yeah, I'm really sorry, I'm just making that longer than it should be, really. You use Helping Hand alone. Call that masturbation. I forgot Christian chat. And he's still alive. Alright, we're coming to a close. One more hit. Cause use quick attack and it's gonna connect and not kill it. How can a Pokemon so weak? Oh my god, now I paralyzed Dio. Please Dio connect. Please Dio. Yes. It was about time. Dio gained 90 XP. Pokemon now are defeated. Oh dear, this won't do. Have you no compassion or pity? Not really, you should see me in real life. That wasn't close to what I could do to show off my Pokemon. I'll have you as my captive audience as often as possible. Wow, slavery much? But that's all for today, and I'm gonna catch you guys tomorrow. I hope you like the time we had together again. Again, as I'm saying every day now, stay safe, and I'll catch up with you tomorrow, same time. Alright? I'll see ya. Yeah.